Managing business credit card usage. If you're a small business owner, you've probably received numerous offers and applications for a small business credit card. It can be a convenient way to increase your company's purchasing power. Small business credit cards provide business owners with easy access to a revolving line of credit with a set credit limit in order to make purchases and withdraw cash. Like a consumer credit card, a small business credit card carries an interest charge if the balance is not repaid in full each billing cycle. You may be able to get a credit card through your bank or apply online. You can compare card terms and features through Investopedia's Best Business Credit Cards Roundup Review, or by consulting our reviews of individual credit cards, which always include a section comparing the card being reviewed to several other cards. A business credit card can be a convenient way to quickly access financing for short-term needs and increase your company's purchasing power. It is often marketed as an attractive alternative to a traditional line of credit. Like any source of financing, a business credit card comes at a cost and must be carefully managed. How a business credit card works. Without a good system in place, it can be difficult to keep track of and keep a handle on credit card spending, which ultimately affects your bottom line. Certain strategies can be utilized to ensure good credit card practices. Ensuring accountability. The most important step a small business can take to make sure credit cards are used effectively is to set up a bomb-proof accountability system, says John Burton, founding partner of Mood Shadow Leadership Solutions in Bryson City, NC. This could mean everything from pre-approval of all credit card spending to rigorous requiring of receipts to pulling credit cards from those who do not report completely and on time with receipts, says Burton. Have a system in place before the first credit card arrives, and Burton says, be consistent, rigorous, and fair while tolerating no exceptions. Deciding who receives a card. Burton acknowledges the challenges employers may face in deciding who gets a credit card. I've seen businesses that lost control of credit card spending by issuing too many cards to too many people and thinking that all important officers and travelers needed the convenience of a company credit card, says Burton. While giving everyone a credit card might seem like the right or easy thing to do, it can lead to a dysfunctional, expensive system and a serious lack of control and accountability, he explains. Use alternatives and establish rules. Many companies, especially with salespeople, reimburse for company spending on personal credit cards with excellent accountability. No receipt, no reimbursement, says Burton. It is helpful, however, to have clear rules regarding who gets a card, whether it's based on seniority, position, or other factors. This can help avoid confusion and mitigate bad feelings from employees who would like a card but are not eligible. Setting credit card limits. Every business should have clear policies about spending, including which expenses can be put on cards, how much employees can spend, and how often they can use their cards. It's important to put the policy in writing and have every employee who is issued a card read and sign it. After they do, give each cardholder a copy to use for reference. Depending on the business card, you may be able to set up restrictions that limit transactions to a certain dollar amount, spending category, and even certain days and times. With some cards, you can set up individual restrictions for each employee. For example, you may limit one employee to $50 a day any day of the week for gas purchases, while limiting another to $100 for gas and $50 for meals each day, but only on business days. Being watchful of card activity. Many business credit cards allow you to set up activity alerts that arrive as text or email messages. The alerts can be set up to notify you each time a transaction takes place or only if an employee uses or tries to use a card in an unapproved manner. You can also take advantage of online and mobile banking to view up-to-the-minute account activity. Your accounting department should review each statement to make sure each line item is a charge you authorized. Using the card wisely. It's important to know when a business should use credit. It's not always the best choice, especially for large expenditures that can't be paid in full before interest kicks in. Even though it takes extra effort to secure a loan from a bank or other lending institution, it often makes financial sense to do so, as the interest rate on credit cards is typically much higher than for such secured debt instruments. It's also possible that a large purchase or a couple of large expenditures can max out your credit card and leave you without a source of funds at all. Can I use an EIN to obtain a credit card? An employee identification number, EIN, is a tax number that the IRS assigns to your business. You can use it to apply for a small business credit card. However, you will most likely also have to provide your social security number to obtain the card. Can you get a credit card with an LLC? To get a credit card with an LLC, you must be the owner of the LLC in order to apply for and receive the credit card. Not every employee is able to open a credit card. Non-owners may use the credit card, but they must be authorized by the LLC to be able to sign for purchases. What is a corporate credit card? A corporate credit card is a credit card that a business issues to employees. It works in the same manner as a personal credit card, but is only meant to be used for business-related expenses, such as business travel, business dinners, and other client-associated expenses. The corporate credit card allows for these expenses to be made so that the employee does not have to pay out of pocket and wait to be reimbursed. A business credit card comes with many benefits, such as ease of use, easier to obtain than a loan, a financial cushion, and a way to separate business expenses from personal credit card expenses. Though there are benefits, a business credit card should be used with caution, as interest rates on cards are high, more so than a loan, and business credit cards have less security than personal credit cards. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.